Alright, splitting some cherry here today. I was splitting yesterday, never finished it. Oh, here we go. Wood's like a year old already. Oh boy, I have to cut this one. Oh boy. I don't know. Yeah, I'll cut that one. Windy, did I get windy today? Oh. This might be getting a little old on the outside. I'm not sure. It's heavy though. Bam! Almost got me. Yeah, a little bit. It's alright. Bam! Short one today. So I'm gonna put something up. Down the middle. See if it will go. Oh, whoa! That was a miss. That was a miss. A rare miss. Oh, got it. Just want to get this out of the way. Might be getting a little old. Nah, it's alright. It's getting there though. It's definitely dry. I don't know what kind of wood this is. It's heavy though. Might be maple. Gotta burn this early next year, I think. Get rid of it. It'll get too old. Bam! Whew. I don't know what happened. The battery died. I just charged them last night. I got some tea. It's great. And some water. All right. Let's get back to it. Just heard it beep and then it died. I don't know why. Charged them both last night, so. Alright. Oh. Start to sweat. Oh. I don't know if I'll do all this or not to get the saw. Okay. Oh. Man. Solid wood. Oh. Take a side off. Take a little bit off instead of the whole thing, like a maniac. This is hardwood. Cherry. It's dry too, I think. That's the big problem. Oh God. My foot's been hurting me. So I got these foot pads. I think I have that plantar fasciitis or whatever, so I had to get these pads to put in my feet. I don't know what it's from, running or... So the Amazon guy's coming soon. I'll be back up and running in a few days regardless. I'll run through the pain if I have to. So either way I'll be back, I don't care. Man. Alright. Or here. This is gonna be a tough one, I think. Maybe not. This camera's... Well, let's see if I could... It's moving around on me. But yeah, my foot's been hurting me, so... Oh. I'll figure it out. Some of this wood is just... Here's some ash. I don't even think I'm not even bothering. Gotta cut that one. I gotta cut this one. It's all knots. This one I should be able to get. Oh. Maybe I'll cut it on camera. Might as well. I have to just get the saw. I'm all about to split it out, but I have a lot more to do yet, so. It's keeping me really strong, I can tell. I feel super strong lately. Man, look at that wood. It's nice. See it in the sun. Cherry. Whoa. Wow. I'm on a hill here, so it's flying back at me sometimes. Alright. I saw this one is gonna be brutal, I think. Down the middle, I'll try. I don't know if it's gonna go though. Wow. Wow. Taking big swings on that. Alright. That's good. Try this way, should go now. Pretty easy. Okay. Nice. Okay, one more. A little more over on that. I'll try. It's dead on. Oh, man. Alrighty. Oh, okay, like that. Alright, a couple more. I'll probably finish it all. Just gotta get the saw. I gotta run down and get that. This will be a tough one too. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a hard one. Okay. Oh God. Man. Alrighty. Let's see. It's all knots. Taking that off it. Let's see if I can take that corner. There. moving so much. Let's see if I get it. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's gonna be really hard, I think. Oh. Yeah, not too bad. There you go. Once you get one crack at it, it seems to come along. Oh boy. Get the rest of this. That's good. Okay, we got a couple more. Let me see how many more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I knew that was gonna cut. Man. Oh, this one has a handle on it. Wow, that's heavy. This one I can get. This one I can get. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be it after that. It smells good though, this wood, I'll tell you that much. Better than oak. Oak smells like shit. Red oak, at least. The other end. Man, full swing we gotta give it, I guess. Whoa. So I don't like doing that. Too much power. And those full swings, they end up like ricocheting off something and hitting you in the leg. In the middle. Wow. Oh man, brutal. There we go. Okay. Alright. Brutal. Maybe I'll just cut that one too. Yeah, might as well. Why fight with it? Oh, okay. Let me get that. Be right back. Alright. Here we go. Just gonna cut this one. The hell with it. I'm not gonna fight with this thing. split that again. That one too. Might as well. Oh yeah. You're not gonna split that stuff. No way. Wow. Let's see. That's good. This one, I need to whack it once. Oh. Okay. Oh God. Yeah, you're not gonna split that stuff. Not gonna happen. Not with an axe, you're not. That is good for me. I'm not messing with that. This one we get hit. Oh God. That's the easy way to split, I guess. Oh. The stuff you can't get with the axe. Whew. Oh. Yeah, I'm not messing with that either. One more in this one and then I'm done. Everything else looks good. I think, let me see. Okay. That should be fine. Yeah, all this stuff's good. Just get it over one spot. Oh man, this is nasty wood. Wow. It's like a cement block. Oh. Wow. Whew. Oh. Alright. Alright, that's it. I'm done after this. Alrighty. Alright, thanks for watching another splitting video. I'm done.